Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best BLACK+DECKER 20V is probably one of the most versatile and powerful cordless tool systems available on the market today, offering a wide range of tools for various home improvement and DIY projects. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a weekend warrior, the BLACK+DECKER 20V system provides the performance and convenience you need to tackle any task with ease and efficiency, making it an indispensable addition to any toolbox. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Cordless Drill Driver, LDX120C. Introducing the BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Cordless Drill and Driver. Experience the power of lithium-ion technology for a longer-lasting, lighter, and more compact tool. With an 11-position clutch, you get precise control for drilling into various materials like wood, metal, and plastic. It's perfect for all your screwdriving needs too. Its compact and lightweight design reduces fatigue, allowing you to work comfortably even in tight spaces. This is part of our demanding 20V Max asterisk system. Achieve perfect results with the variable speed trigger. It allows for precise countersinking without damaging your material. This tool is ideal for drilling and driving tasks in wood, metal, and plastic. Plus, an integrated bit holder under the handle keeps your bit conveniently accessible. It comes complete with a battery and charger, so you can get started right away. Experience the difference of cordless convenience. What we like. This drill offers precise control for various tasks. If you're looking for a versatile tool for drilling and screwdriving in wood, metal, and plastic, this is a great choice. Its lightweight design makes it comfortable for extended use and in tight spaces. What people say. The battery life is excellent, lasting for multiple projects on a single charge. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces. The variable speed trigger provides great control for different tasks. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER Pivot VAC Handheld Vacuum BDH 2000 PL. Introducing the BLACK+DECKER Pivot VAC, the #1 brand in hand vacs. It offers optimal performance with a 20V Max asterisk lithium-ion battery for high-power suction. This cordless handheld vacuum is portable, rechargeable, and lightweight, making it perfect for use around your home and in your vehicle. Its pivoting wide mouth nozzle is designed to help you clean narrow spaces and large debris with ease. With a flip-up brush and extendable crevice tool, it's equipped for everyday messes in your home and car. Experience strong, consistent power thanks to cyclonic action that keeps the filter clean and performance high. Emptying is simple with its translucent bowl, and the washable filter ensures it's always ready for the next job. Rest assured with your purchase, as this product comes with a 2-year limited warranty. What we like. Experience powerful, portable cleaning with this handheld vacuum. If you need to tackle messes in tight corners or large debris around your home or car, its pivoting nozzle and strong suction are perfect. It's ideal for quick cleanups and maintaining a tidy space. What people say. The BLACK+DECKER 20V is a great tool for home use. It has a good battery life and is easy to use. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Cordless Drill Project Kit. This powerful drill is perfect for a wide range of home projects. Its 20V Max lithium-ion battery ensures you have the power you need, when you need it. Get incredible value with this comprehensive kit. It's packed with everything you need for your DIY tasks, offering over $150 in value. The lithium-ion battery is always ready, holding its charge for up to 18 months. You can rely on it whenever inspiration strikes. Achieve precise results with the 11-position clutch. This feature provides an extra level of control, preventing stripped screws and overdriving. This kit isn't just a drill, it includes 66 essential hand tools and accessories. You'll have the right tool for every job. Keep everything organized and take it anywhere with the included carrying bag. It makes portability and storage incredibly convenient. What we like. Get everything you need for home projects with this comprehensive kit. If you're a DIY enthusiast or just starting out and want a wide range of tools and accessories, this set is for you. The included drill and storage bag make it a convenient all-in-one solution. What people say. The drill performed very well. I drove 3 wood screws through a piece of 2x4, and there was no problem. This has been an excellent choice for my daughter's home tool starter kit. It includes all the essentials she needs for basic home repairs and projects. Solid quality and great value, perfect for anyone starting out. I have small hands, and the power drill is very comfortable and not too heavy. It's also got a decent amount of power and the ability to easily regulate speed, etc. The battery also seems to last for a long time in between projects and during. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Cordless Chainsaw, LCS 1020B. Introducing the BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Cordless Chainsaw. Experience efficient wood cutting and tree pruning with its 10-inch bar and chain, designed for smooth and fast results. Maintaining optimal performance is simple. It features tool-free chain tensioning, allowing for quick and easy adjustments to keep you working without interruption. Tackle a variety of tasks with its 8-inch cut capacity. This handheld tool is ready for a wide range of cutting applications. To ensure longevity and smooth operation, it includes an integrated oiling system for continuous lubrication of the bar and chain. This battery-operated tool is powered by the robust 20V Max * lithium-ion battery system. Enjoy extended use and reliable performance year after year. It comes with a guide bar scabbard for safe storage and transport. Please note that the battery and charger are sold separately, allowing you to choose the best power option for your needs. What we like. Tackle outdoor cutting tasks with ease using this cordless chainsaw. If you need to prune trees or cut wood, its 10-inch bar and tool-free adjustments make the job efficient. It's designed for convenience and performance in your yard work. What people say. It starts right up once you pull the trigger. It feels as safe as other chainsaws I have used in the past. It's small but effective, and easy to load into your vehicle and go. I use an extended battery and have never had to switch it out during a job. Number 1. BLACK+DECKER 20V Max 4-Tool Combo Kit. Introducing the BLACK+DECKER 20V Max 4-Tool Combo Kit. This set is designed to make your DIY projects easier and more efficient. The drill driver offers a 3/8 chuck and 11-position clutch for precise screw driving. Its LED work light illuminates your workspace, even in dark areas. The circular saw's compact design reduces fatigue, while its 5.5-inch blade can cut through 2x lumber. Tool-free adjustments allow for quick and easy angle cuts. Enjoy up to 11 hours of runtime with the included work light. Plus, with 2 batteries, you'll experience less downtime on larger projects. This tool is part of the BLACK+DECKER 20V Max lithium-ion battery system, offering versatility across multiple tools. What we like. This combo kit provides a powerful set of tools for DIY projects. If you're looking for a versatile collection of cordless tools, including a drill and circular saw, this is an excellent option. The 2 batteries ensure you can keep working with minimal interruption. What people say. The drill driver boasts an ergonomic design ensuring a comfortable grip, while its ability to sink screws and drill through walls like a superhero. The circular saw slices through wood with the grace of a master swordsman. The work light shines bright like a guiding star and illuminates your workspace. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.